far away, where snowflakes fall in an endless dance, two sisters share a bond like no other. Queen Elsa, born with a magical gift with a heart full of love, and Princess Anna, the fearless sister who is brave and full of hope. But as Elsa's powers grow stronger,
everything you just saw in the video has been created using AI, from the visuals to the background music. I was able to create this awesome looking 1950s style trailer with AI using only free tools. Do you know some YouTube channels are making thousands of dollars every single month by only uploading 1950s Super Panavision-style AI movie trailers like this? Yes, just take a look at this YouTube channel. It has almost 300,000 subscribers, and all they do is upload AI generated 1950s style movie trailers like this, and you can see all of their videos get a crazy amount of views. And yes, this channel is fully monetized if you are wondering, and from here you can see how much money they are making every single month. It is crazy, isn't it? You see, YouTube will monetize videos like these as long as you put in the necessary effort. This means ensuring high quality editing and using good voiceovers, but it's also crucial that the content provides some kind of value to the audience. Now if we play one of their videos, we can see that they use AI voiceovers, AI background music, and AI video clips to make these awesome viral videos. Now a few years back, making these kinds of videos was only for professionals with expensive tools, but now anyone can make videos like this thanks to the revolutionary technology we call AI. Trust me guys, AI is like the internet back in the 90s, but most of us weren't even born during that time, so we missed out on that opportunity. But now if you're not taking advantage of this revolutionary technology, you're going to be left behind. I have looked for multiple tutorials on how to make videos like this, and I haven't found any satisfactory tutorials. That's why I took matters into my own hands, started doing my own research, and finally found the perfect method to generate 1950s Super Panavision style images and turn them into awesome videos like this. In today's video, I am going to show you step by step how you can create awesome movie trailers like this and start earning from your Faceless YouTube channel. I am going to show you every step in detail, so make sure you pay close attention and watch this video until the end. Now, without wasting any more time, let's get started. We will do this in 7 easy and simple steps. Step number 1, selecting a topic. This part is completely up to you. You can choose any topic you like or take inspiration from other channels. I would also suggest you choose a movie that you have seen. For this video, I have chosen Frozen because I have seen this movie multiple times and know all the key characters in this movie very well. Step number 2, creating the script. Once you've picked a topic, it's time to create a script for your trailer. I will show you 2 different methods to create engaging scripts. First, I will show you how you can just copy the script from these popular videos and rewrite them with AI to make them unique. Then I will also show you how you can create your own script from scratch using ChatGPT. For the first method, we will use a tool called Dup AI. I use this tool quite often for different content creation needs, and it's very useful. First, you need to open YouTube and look for the movie trailer video that you want. Then simply copy the video link and open Dup AI by clicking on the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. After that, you will see an interface like this. From here, click on AI transcription, then click on YouTube from here and paste the video link. After that, click on transcribe and let the AI create the transcription. Once it's done, you can see that it has transcribed everything nicely. Now to rewrite it, just click on this rewrite button and the AI will start rewriting the script. And here is the output. You can see it has rewritten the script. Now you can use this script and generate the voiceovers. And now let me show you how you can create awesome scripts from scratch using ChatGPT just like I did here. In order to get great results in ChatGPT, you need to give it a good prompt. So let me show you a cool trick to generate professional prompts every single time for anything. It's very simple. First, go to ChatGPT and type the following. Act as a prompt engineer, review this prompt, make it better for optimal results, and ask me if you have any questions before proceeding. Then paste your original prompt and hit enter. Don't worry, I will put this prompt in the description. If it asks for clarification, just reply with your answers, just like I did here. After that, it will give you a professional prompt for the best result. Isn't this awesome? Now copy this prompt, open a new chat, paste the prompt and hit enter. And just like that, ChatGPT will create a very professional scene draft for your video. You can either use this draft as it is or make some changes to it as you see fit to make it more interesting. Step number 3, generating voiceovers. We'll use Elevenlabs for voiceovers because it's the best AI voice generator out there. I use it all the time, and the voice you are listening to right now is created using Elevenlabs. First, click on the link in the description and sign up, and after that you'll see an interface like this. Now we need to paste our script and generate the voiceovers, but before that we need to choose the right voice character for our video. To do that, go to voices, then library, and then type Benjamin in the search box. After that, scroll down a little bit and this is the voice we will be using. After doing multiple trials with different voices, I found that this is the perfect voice for these kinds of videos. Now click on this add button to add it to the voice library. Next, just paste your script, select the voice character we added and click generate. Once you're happy with the result, you can download it from here. Now repeat this step until you've generated all the voiceovers for your video. Next, we need to edit the voiceover to make it sound like it's old, and I will show you a free tool to do it. But before that, open Capcut and add all the voiceovers generated here, then drag and drop the voiceovers and place them into the timeline one by one in the right order, and remove any blank spaces in between the voiceovers to make the flow smoother. Once it's done, click on export, then uncheck the video option and check the audio option and export it. This will only export the audio. Next, open this website from the link in the description and upload the audio file here. Then scroll down and click on this microphone icon, and it will add the old radio voice effect. To download it, click on these 3 dots and download. This is how it sounded before.
In a kingdom far away, where snowflakes fall in an endless dance.
And this is how it sounds now.
In a kingdom far away, where snowflakes fall in an endless dance.
Isn't this awesome? Step number 4, generating images. This is one of the most important parts of the video because without good images, you won't be able to generate great videos. Now, these accounts use Midjourney to generate images, but Midjourney is not free, so we won't be using it. So I did a lot of research and finally came up with an image generator that can create the perfect images for videos like this. The tool we will be using today is Flux 1.1 Ultra. It is the latest update from Black Forest Labs after Flux 1.1 Pro, and this is just outstanding. Honestly, this is the only AI image generator that I am using currently, and I must tell you, it is way better than any other image generator you see on this list. And I will generate a few images using these other image generators too to show you just how good Flux is. Now, there are various platforms where you can generate images using Flux 1.1 Ultra, but almost none of them are free. But don't worry, I have found a tool through which you can generate free images using Flux 1.1 Ultra. The name of the tool is Glyph. To get started, just click on the link in the description, then sign up using your email ID. After that, they will give you 20 free credits to generate images. Each image you create costs 1 credit. So with 20 credits, you can create 20 images, and the credits renew every day, which is awesome. And if you want more credits, just create a different account with a new email ID and you will get 20 more credits. Now, here is how the interface looks. From here, you need to click on Glyph and search for the Flux 1.1 Ultra in the search box. Then select this Flux Ultra option, and this is the interface to generate the images. This is the prompt section where we need to give it a prompt. If you are not sure about the prompt, then you can go to ChatGPT, paste a part of the script and ask it to generate the image prompt, and it will create a detailed prompt for you. Now I will give it this prompt, and don't worry, I will put this prompt in the description. Then I will change the aspect ratio to 16:9 from here. After that, make sure this realism setting is set to false. Otherwise, your images won't look cinematic. Then simply click on generate, and here is the output. Just look at this. Doesn't it look awesome? It really has that retro feel which I was looking for, and you can see the image is really high quality and there is no weird morphing or distortion. It honestly looks like a scene from an old movie. Let's try one more. This time I will use this prompt and hit generate. Here is the output. This is too good. Trust me, no other free image generator can create high quality images like this for free. And now let's try to create these kinds of images using some of these highly ranked image generators. First, let's try Recraft. This is the interface. Now, I've already made a very detailed tutorial on how to use Recraft, so you can go and check that out if you want. Now, I will give it the same prompt I used in Flux and hit generate, and here is the output. You can see it looks decent. This is not the style I was looking for, and also you can see there are lots of weird morphing and distortion in the image. Now, Recraft is really good at creating realistic images, but once you give it some complex prompt, then it really struggles. The next tool we will try is Ideogram. I will give it the same prompt and hit generate. Here is the output. You can see that the quality is a bit better than Recraft, but still there is some morphing and distortion, and also the image style is not what I was looking for. Here is a side-by-side comparison of all 3 tools. You can see the Flux image is way better than these two. So next time, do not follow these rankings. Try it yourself and then make your own informed decision on which image generator to use. Step number 5, generating videos. Now, to generate the videos, there are so many options, but the video generator we will be using today is better than all the others. To turn the images into videos, we will use a tool called Minimax AI. It is hands down the best AI video generator I've ever used. I've already made a very detailed tutorial on how to use this tool to create amazing videos, so feel free to check that out. To get started, just click the link in the description and sign up with your email ID. After signing up, you will get 100 free credits to generate videos, and the credits renew every day, which is awesome. They used to give 3 days of unlimited generation for new users before, but now they have stopped it. Now, to generate the video, click on the image to video option and upload the generated image here. Next, you can give it a prompt. I will give it a simple prompt like this. If you want any prompt guidance, you can click here and you will find all kinds of prompt tips to generate the best results. After that, I'll simply click on generate and let the AI do its magic. Here is the output. This looks really great. Now you need to keep in mind that you might not get the result you are looking for on the first try. So you need to keep experimenting with prompts to get the best results. Now you need to repeat this step until you generate all the videos required for the trailer. I know the generating speed is a little bit slow because of the huge demand, but hey, it's free, so no complaints. And if you want faster results, you can always get their subscription. I purchased the standard plan and it cost me only 850 rupees, which is very reasonable. Step number 6, generating background music. Now having good background music is very important because it helps add emotion to the trailer. Good background music can help your video go viral. To generate the music, we will use a tool called Suno, which is by far the best iMusic generator available. To get started, click on the link in the description and sign up for Suno using your email ID, and Suno will give you 50 free credits to generate music. After that, click on create, then turn on this custom option. Next, turn on the instrumental option and write the music style here. I will write these styles and you can just copy them if you want similar music, then hit generate. Here's the output. Let's play it and listen to it. Wow, that was awesome. To download it, click on the 3 dots, then click on download and you're done. Step number 7, editing the video. We'll use Capcut for editing because it's free and easy to use. If you're in India, you can use Proton VPN, which is free for life, to access Capcut. I'll put the link in the description. First, open Capcut and import all your video clips, voiceovers and background music here. Next, drag and drop the voiceover file into the timeline. After that, drag and drop all the video clips into the timeline one by one, making sure they're in the right order according to the voiceover. This step is very important, so make sure you do it right. Now for the duration of each screen, I am doing it in sync with the voiceover. Once that is done, we need to add some transitions between the clips. Now in order to put transitions seamlessly, you can take references from other popular videos. This will give you an idea of when and how to use transitions effectively. Now to add a transition, go to the transitions tab and look for the black fade transition, then drag and drop it in between the clips. Now to adjust the length of it, click on it, then set the duration from here. And now I will use this exact same transition on other clips, and you don't need to add transitions for every single clip. You can leave some without transitions, just like I did. Also, I am using only one transition type, but you can experiment with different types. Just make sure they are subtle and simple. Now it's time to add some text at the end of the video. To do that, go to the text tab and drag and drop a new text layer into the timeline. I want to show a text during the outro, so I will adjust the length and position. Then from here, I will add this text, change the font from here and adjust the size accordingly. Next, I will copy and paste it, then change the text to this and adjust the size and position. After that, select both text layers, right click and select create compound clip. Next, make sure the text layer is selected, then go to animation, and for the in animation, select fade in, and for the out animation, select fade out. Then from this section, I will increase the duration of the in animation to 0.5 seconds for a smoother flow. Next, I will use this exact same method to add some text during the outro of the trailer. And now I will add some filters to make the visuals more cinematic. First, go to the filters tab, then go to retro and look for the 1980 filter, then drag and drop it into the timeline. Then adjust the length of it to match the entire video and change the filter intensity to about 50% from here. Next, look for the retro 2 filter and add it into the timeline, then adjust the length and change the intensity to 35%. This will give your video a cinematic look. Next, for the old cinema noise effect, I will add this effect clip I have downloaded. I will also put a link in the description for you to download it. After adding it, go to this section, change the blend mode to screen and then adjust the opacity to 35. Lastly, add the background music into the timeline, then adjust the volume accordingly from here. And finally, our trailer is ready. Now, all you need to do is click on this export button and export the video. Now let's play it to see the final result.
In a kingdom far away, where snowflakes fall in an endless dance, two sisters share a bond like no other. Queen Elsa, born with a magical gift with a heart full of love, and Princess Anna, the fearless sister who is brave and full of hope. But as Elsa's powers grow stronger, fear takes hold. In a moment of panic, Elsa accidentally plunges their land into an eternal winter. Fearing she's a danger to everyone she loves, she leaves her kingdom behind, retreating to an isolated ice palace. With the kingdom in peril, Anna embarks on a journey with an unlikely team, an ice seller named Kristoff, his loyal reindeer Sven, and an enchanted snowman named Olaf. Together, they brave frozen mountains, treacherous blizzards, and their own fears to find Elsa and bring her home. But Elsa's powers are out of control, and the true danger may be greater than anyone ever imagined. Will Anna be able to save her sister and thaw the kingdom, or will Elsa's cold heart leave them all in endless winter? To find out, watch Frozen coming to a theater near you.
Looks pretty good, doesn't it? I was able to create this within a few minutes with so little effort. Now imagine the kind of content you can create with a bit more effort and creativity. Trust me guys, people are making tons of money by creating AI videos like this, and you can do it too. Just believe in yourself and start taking action. I'm always here to help you guys. You just need to take the first step, which is the hardest part. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.